Hi, sweetheart. Today we're going to make something delicious. Do you know what it will be?
Sandwiches.
We're going to make delicious sandwiches. First, we need bread. Do you want white bread, whole grain, or maybe a roll?
Whole grain, it's healthy.
Great choice. Now we need to spread some butter on the bread. Will you help me?
Yes, I love spreading butter.
You're doing great. Now we can add something tasty. We have cheese, ham, tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, and lettuce. What would you like on your sandwich?
Lettuce. Lettuce is crunchy.
Okay, let's add lettuce. Here you go, lettuce. Now put it on the bread.
Done. And now ham.
Yes, let's add ham. Here you go, ham.
Dad, can we also add cucumber?
Of course, healthy vegetables are very important. Here you go, cucumber. I'll slice it.
Great, the cucumber slices are ready.
Remember, sweetheart, to always be careful with a knife. Always ask an adult for help, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
It looks beautiful. Now let's put the cheese on top to hold everything together.
Great, cheese on top.
Do you want to add some tomato or bell pepper on the cheese?
Yes, let's add some tomato and bell pepper.
Great choice. Here you go, tomato and bell pepper. Now we'll cover it with another slice of bread. And we have a delicious sandwich.
Hooray, can I try it?
Of course, try it. How does it taste?
Delicious, thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetheart. It's always nice to make food together. Maybe next time we'll make a salad.
Yes, what kind of salad will we make?
We'll make a Greek salad with cucumber, tomato, olives, feta cheese, and red onion. It will be delicious.
Great, I can't wait.
Great, it's a deal. Now let's enjoy our sandwiches.
Enjoy your meal. And you, what food do you like the most?